All right, I'm in my 2024 f-250 with the 6.8 liter gas. I've got the tow haul mode on. I've locked out my top 2 gears, so I only have 8 gears with this plus and minus right here. But I'm pulling a 10,000 pound tractor behind me, and I'm getting ready to go up this steep mountain pass. And I'm going to use manual mode. And I've had people message me asking me how to use manual mode. It works really well with this truck. The first few times I had problems with it, but now that I've learned how to use manual mode, no problem with these hills. They're very, very switchbacky. It recommends 35, but the grades are super steep. So as soon as I start going up the hill, I'm going to push the end of my steering column right here, and that's going to lock it into manual. Then I'm going to use the plus and minus to shift up and down as I need it. Basically listening to the RPMs, because I don't like the heavy downshifting. So right now, if I push on the gas, it really gives us some high RPMs. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to let off the gas, let it downshift, and then I'm going to push this manual mode, and I'm going to put it in 4th gear right now. See how much quieter it gets? And I'm going to ride 4th until it slows down. If I want to go up to 5th, I can, or down to 3rd just by pushing the plus and minus. But right now, I'm just going to hold it in 4th. And this is a very steep pass. I even have to use brakes on these turns. So if I get too slow, I can shift down right there to 3rd gear. I don't have to deal with the up and down shifting, trying to search for, hunting for gears. When I get up to where I feel good about it, I'll push it up to 4th gear. I'm just keeping my RPMs right around 2,500 to 3,000 on these hills. Right here it gets steeper, so I might have to go down. It seems like it's holding it. Actually, I sped up a little, so I'm going to just slow down a bit. I'm going to keep it right around that 3,000 mark. It gets real steep right here, so I'm going to have to go down to 3rd. And as it speeds up, I'm going to go up with the gears. Now I'm up to 5th gear. And it works just the same way going down the hills, because we're going to go down 8% grades, it says on this sign, 8% grades for the next 2 miles. And I'll do the exact same thing. I'll find a real comfortable RPM right as we crest this hill. I'm going to take it down to 4th for now, and I'm just going to let it ride. So that's how I do it now when I tow on these mountain passes.